Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 1100. This is the one with the DCT dual clutch automatic transmission, ABS brakes, only 9,057 miles. Wait till you hear that exhaust, it sounds awesome. It's got a nice little windshield, so come on by and make your 1100cc cruiser dreams come true with this automatic transmission 1100 Rebel. Beautiful metallic dark gray paint, dark metallic red paint. Price to sell at just $84.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Contra Costa Powersports.